Okay, what we're going to do is we're in section 3.3. We're going to start graphing linear inequalities in two variables. And if I said shading above or below a line, it would probably ring a bell and you'd have an idea as to what we're doing. We say two variables because we're dealing with an x and a y value. And the idea is what coordinates, what x and y coordinates and a combination of those guys work for this. Okay, so what we'll do here is we're going to graph it like a typical line. So I'm going to look at my y-intercept, and I'm going to look at my slope, and I'm going to graph this line. So the y-intercept is 2. And my slope is 1. So up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. And I go ahead and I graph the line. But the idea here is this is a less than or equal to. So what that means is I cannot equal this line. So what we do is we use dashes to represent a line that we cannot equal. If it was an equal to symbol at the bottom of the inequality, it would be a solid line. We can equal all the points on that line. And so now I want to know when I'm less than. So if I'm less than, that means all the points below are a part of my shaded region. So I would shade everything below this line. Okay? Now we can check this by picking any point within the shared region. So the easiest point to pick when we can is the origin. Never pick a point on the line. Okay? Pick a point that's above or below. So if I plug in 0, is 0 less than 3? Yes. The point that I picked was right here. It's in my shaded region, and it fit the inequality in the beginning of the problem. So when I plugged it in, it worked out. So I know that I've shaded in the proper location.